Hi friends, I'm Arnab Das and I'm telling you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Now in the Rubik's Cube, all the centers which you see, I mean this center, or I mean this one. I hope you have understood what I am going to say. All the centers around that, all the colors will be fit, because whatever you move, the centers you move, it remains at the center only. So the cube will be formed, the colors will be around the center. Now the fact is that first we have to see a white cross. What about the cross? Is that this cross, I mean a plus sign, you can also say. This we have to make. For making that, we will consider this yellow. The yellow, we will put 4 white in these 4 parts. Okay, these 4 will be of white. You can see that this and this are already white, so we don't have to matter, but these 2 we will do. So now see, here there is a white. If you put it here, it goes there, but if you put this one here, it will not go. So we have to put this here. So for doing that, we will do a proper algorithm, that is 1, 2 and 3. It is proper. Now the fact is that these 2 must be of the same color, this and this, but they are not. So I am moving the orange and it is of the same color. Now we will put a 180-degree turn. Okay, and it will go to the bottom. It is perfectly fine, both of them are same, so I am putting a 180-degree turn. This is not fine, now it is fine, and now this one we have to move. This is fine, so 180-degree turn, and now the white cross is formed.